ka surjong phi ka thang jangi
Ay nong rang kabadai ka Director General of Police ka Jila Meghalaya kalapin tikna ba hadu menta kila don arngut ki bala syakem ha kabayadai bat ka Jingbthei jong ka pardeuyong kadba uwei pat ubrio ubala syaken no bala ban ithudur bala syaken no lala ban ithudur ki jing toket kidang ya ha pedeng ka jing ya phe bala ban don shishu ki brio ki bala sakut kham ningkong Menteri rang ba ka jela kongrat ke sangma ula batha ek menteri bandej ngo ya ka jaka bala bathai bat bishar banya ya ka jing pelat im ka jing yarab bat ka jing long jing man jong ka an bat ka suk kesan menteri rang ba ula pen benaru ya ka jing yarab pisa ex gratia ka balai lak tingka na ka benta uwe pa uwe ulong yeng ha kitu ki baladu no ya ka jing im ha ka ne ka jing ja
Comprehensive inquiry means from all levels inquiry will be held as to number one, which illegal activities were going on by whom, including aspects of why this dynamite blast took place, who was responsible for that, and what was it related to. We are not aware about this. The real details and the facts. So we have to find all those things out. Every department will have to go into all details of what's happening. And at the deputy commissioner level also there will be inquiry, the police level also there will be an inquiry. So all the related departments, all the related activities that are taking place, each and every aspect will be looked into. And as I said, and all those who are responsible for this, very firm action will be taken in this case.